this chapter plasma membrane. Next, another use of the plasma membrane. Another use is already I told you dialysis process. What? Dialysis. Yes. Dialysis process. What is dialysis? In Greek language, dia means through.
Lysis means splitting. Lysis means splitting. In Greek language, dia means through, lysis means splitting. Entire this dialysis process is dependent on the diffusion process. Entire dialysis process is dependent on diffusion, separation process and diffusion process. Main diffusion process, separation and diffusion. Already we discussed about diffusion process. Diffusion means process of movement of solute. Already I told you process of movement of solutes or substances. Solutes are substances from high concentration to low concentration. From high concentration to low concentration. This is here diffusion process. Based on the diffusion process, entire dialysis process works. Understanding? Now, what is the importance of dialysis process? In which field dialysis process used here? Actually in person artificial dialysis, artificial kidney. Here it is also called as artificial kidney. Means if two kidneys are tied, if two kidneys are tied, then to remove the waste materials from the blood, actually dialysis process. This dialysis process helps in those persons. Understanding? Observe carefully. In persons having the failure to kidney. Okay, in those persons actually dialysis process helps to remove the waste materials from the blood. This is the use. Okay, observe. Next, what is the main principle involved in this dialysis process? Main principle is separation and diffusion. This is your main principle involved in dialysis process. Here in dialysis process, actually a machine is used that is called dialyzer. Actually, that is dialyzer. Okay, machine that is used in this process is dialyzer. Observe carefully. Observe one all. Next, in dialysis process, one type of fluid is also used that is called dialyzing fluid. Dialyzing fluid. Next, enter this dialysis process was discovered by Dr. William Coles. William Coles. Dr. William Coles discovered and first time used the dialysis process in the year 1947. Okay. Now let's discuss about the functioning of dialysis process, entire structure of the dialysis process. This is a dialyzer. In dialyzer, membranous tubes are present. Like this membranous tube. These tubes, all tubes are interconnected with one another. First, from the human artery, blood is collected from the human body or from arteries of the human body. Then anticoagulant agent heparin. Then anticoagulant agent heparin is injected into the blood. Then that collected blood is passed into the dialyzer machine. Okay, in dialyzer machine, actually membranous channels or tubes are present. All are connected one with another like this. Next to all the membranous channels or tubes are surrounded by one type of fluid, that is dialyzing fluid. Yes. Dialyzing fluid does not have any nitrogenous waste material. Nitrogenous waste materials are absent in dialyzing fluid. In blood, nitrogenous waste materials are present. Nitrogenous waste materials are present in blood. As blood flows through the membranous channel, what will happen? Waste materials are diffused from the high concentrated blood. High concentrated blood to low concentrated nitrogen dialyzing fluid. Low concentrated dialyzing fluid. Observe carefully here. As blood flows through the membranous channels in dialyzer machine, waste materials which are present inside of the blood, they are transported out of the blood into the dialyzing fluid. Means waste materials are diffused out here. Means as blood travels through the dialyzer machine, waste material can be removed from the blood. Now, blood without waste material is collected from the dialyzer machine. Then this blood without waste material, it is again sent into the human body. Observe like this. Here, while sending into the human body, here again heparin, anticoagulant one, heparin. It is again inserted into the blood. Like this, blood which is present in human body, it circulates. Observe carefully here. It circulates between the dialyzer machine and the human body. Here for the approximately 3 to 6 hours. 3 to 6 hours. After 3 to 6 hours, after 3 to 6 hours, blood which is present in human body, that is without, that is without nitrogenous waste material. Means as blood travels to the dialyzer machine, as blood travels to the dialyzer machine, nitrogenous waste materials are removed from the blood. Understanding this important machine, that is dialyzer. This process is called dialysis process. Okay, it is useful for the, it is useful for the person who are suffering with the end stage of renal disease. What? End stage of renal disease. Yes. End stage of renal disease means 2 kidney failure. In this condition, 2 kidneys are failed. Okay, 2 kidney failure condition is called end stage of renal disease. Okay, persons who are suffering from the end stage of renal disease, for those persons dialysis process is very useful. Okay, observe one. Next, let us discuss effect of different solutions on blood cells. When we take the red blood cell, red blood cells means they are surrounded by plasma membrane. They are surrounded by plasma membrane. Here, cell wall is absent. You know very well that cell wall is absent because these are animal cells. These are animal cells. For example, this is a blood cell, red blood cell. imagine when we place the blood cell or red blood cell in hypertonic solution, what will happen? Hypertonic solution. Observe carefully. What? Hypertonic solution. Means hypertonic solution means high concentrated solution. Yes. Here when we compare when compared with the concentration of cell shock, when we compare the concentration of the cell shaft with surrounding one, cell shaft has the low concentration. Surrounding medium has that is hypertonic solution, means that has high concentration than cell shaft or concentration of the cell shaft. Yes. Now what will happen? Osmosis process takes place from low concentration to high concentration. From low concentration to high concentration, water molecules like this move. Water molecules move like this. Understanding? Observe carefully. When water is transported out of the cell becomes spring. You know very well that enter this red blood cell becomes shrunken. Okay, like this means like shrunken. Okay, next when we place the red blood cell, when we place the red blood cells or blood cells in hypotonic solution, means it has a low concentration than the cell shaft. Here cell shaft has the high concentration. Cell shaft has high concentration. Here also osmosis process takes place. Which type of osmosis? actually endoosmosis process takes place. Because of endoosmosis, water enters into the cell cytoplasm. If more water is entered into the cytoplasm or inside into the cell, because of the high osmotic pressure inside of the cell created by the water and other content. Okay, what will happen? Cell burst. Listen carefully here. Cell becomes burst. Okay, burst. Cell is broken down. What is the reason? Due to high pressure inside of the cell. Inside of the cell. As there is no cell wall, on the plasma membrane, entire cell becomes burst when more water is entered into the cell. Here cell becomes shrunken. Here cell becomes burst. Okay, observe carefully. Here cell becomes shrunken. Here burst. Next, if we feel thirsty, actually we drink water. You know very well that if organism feels thirsty, they take water. Why do we feel thirsty? Actually, when water concentration is low inside of the blood, when blood has the low water level, then we feel thirsty. In such conditions, to supply the water to blood, we should drink water. Each and every organism drink water when they feel thirsty. But modern human beings, in this modern era, human beings are drinking cool drink instead of drinking water. Okay, what? Cool drink. You know very well that cool drinks, they have the sugar or salt. They have sugar plus carbon dioxide. They have sugar plus carbon dioxide. Here, when we drink the cool drink, what will happen? Next, sugar. Extra sugar is added to our blood. Actually, if there is no water in blood, concentration of blood becomes high. To neutralize, to decrease the concentration, of the blood, to neutralize the concentration of the blood, we have to drink water. But when we drink the cool drink, extra sugar is added to the blood. Means in result, concentration of blood becomes high. Concentration of blood becomes again high. Understanding? In such conditions, we feel thirsty again. We feel more thirsty when we drink the cool drink, because cool drinks supply the sugar to our blood instead of water. If sugar is added to the blood, concentration of the blood becomes very high. In such conditions, we feel more thirsty. Understanding? More thirsty. Here, to quench the thirsty, we have to drink water. Instead of cool drink. Understanding? Observe carefully. It's important one. Observe one. Next, during the journeys, actually we take preserved food material or packed food material. They have usually salt. Understanding? Observe carefully. They have usually salt. When we eat the preserved food material or salted food material, what will happen? We feel thirsty in that condition. Actually, during the journey, due to high air velocity, we feel in short intervals, we feel thirsty because of the high air velocity. In that condition, if we take the preserved food material or salted food material, what will happen? We feel more thirsty. Okay, that is why we do not prefer the preserved food materials or salted food materials in that condition during the journey. We prefer fresh fruit. You know, fruits have the 80 to 90%. 80% to 90% of water. If we eat the fruit If we eat the fruits, they supply the water, 80 to 90% of water and nutrients to our body. Also clear, they supply 80 to 90% of water. In addition to 80 to 90% of water, nutrients also. That is why eating the food material, it is very important activity during the journey. Instead of preserved food material or salted food material, because this type of food material add this salt content to our body. In result, we feel more thirsty. Okay, to quench the thirsty, we should drink more and more water when we take this type of food material. But when we take the fresh fruit in such conditions, actually we do not drink the more water. Understanding? This is important one. Observe one. Next, functions of the plasma membrane. What are the functions of the plasma membrane? This is the last topic in this chapter. Functions of plasma membrane. What are the functions? First function is shape. Plasma membrane gives a particular shape to the cell. Understanding? Because it is an outer membrane or outer boundary of the cell. It gives this shape to a particular shape to cell. This is important function of the plasma membrane. Next, mechanical barrier. Mechanical barrier. It is outermost one. Outermost membrane. Already we discussed. It is a mechanical barrier between the external environment and the internal environment. This is the internal environment of the cell. Internal environment of the cell. Here, external environment. Between the internal environment and the external environment, it acts as the mechanical barrier. It acts as the mechanical barrier. It protects the cell from the external shock. Mechanical shock. Next, selectively permeable membrane. Selective permeability. Already we discussed about it. Selectively permeability means it allows water always. and it allows certain solute molecules selectively. Understanding? That is why it is called selectively permeability. It does not allow the all substances through it. It allows only certain substances through it selectively. This is also very important function of the plasma membrane. Next, endocytosis. Endocytosis. It is also called as cell eating. It is also called as cell eating and drinking. Cell eating and cell drinking. Endocytosis. In some lower organisms, solid materials are engulfed into the cell by plasma membrane. Plasma membrane engulfs the food material, solid food materials or liquid food materials into the cell. This is called endocytosis. Understanding? Engulfing, cell eating, cell drinking. This is also a very important function of the plasma membrane. Next, recognition. Plasma membrane has some recognition sites on the surface of the plasma membrane, surface of H. Understanding? These recognition sites recognize the different types of the conditions, and these recognition sites help in tissue formation. They are attached to the other cells. They attract the other cells and they are involved in the tissue formation. All cells are grouped because of the recognition site. Understanding? Next, flow of the information. Next, flow of information between the cells of an organism. Different types of information is passed from one cell to another cell. Different types of information is passed here between the different cells of same organism. Different types of information is passed because of the plasma membrane. Are understanding? It's also very important one here. Next to cell continuity. Cell continuity. Cells of an organism are connected protoplasmically one with another by the plasma membrane. Here some plasmodesmata are present. What? Plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata. These are present here. Through this plasmodesmata, different cells of an organism are connected. Are understanding? Observe carefully, all important words. Next, specialization. What? Specialization process. What is the specialization? Here, in some places, plasma membrane. In some places, plasma membrane becomes specialized and perform different functions. For example, microvilli. Inside of the digestive system, it is modified as microvilli and involved in absorption of the food material. Next, osmosis process. Next and last one is osmosis process. Osmosis process, already we discussed about it. Osmosis means, already we discussed, movement of water from low concentration to high concentration through semi-permeable membranes is called osmosis. This is also very important function. Already we discussed about functions of the osmosis. Because of osmosis process, different types of functions are occurred in organisms. These are the very important functions of the plasma membrane. Okay, observe.